Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you guys how to style your hair with ribbons. All the hairstyles are very simple and all the ribbons I use are very easy to find. So let's get started right now. So the first one is actually very simple. All you need is a favorite ribbon, and this one I'm using has some glittery edge on it, which gives it a very subtle shine. You can of course switch it to something you like, but I would recommend it to use a ribbon that has some different texture than just a satin to make it more interesting. Then all you have to do is to put it under your hair in the back and meet them on the top and make a bow. And that's it! Now, I know some of the girls, including myself, are struggling because we want to make a perfect bow, but don't really worry about it because in this case, you don't even need a perfect bow. You can always fix the shape later with a clip. I sometimes use a headband with a bow on the top to achieve the same look, but the headband often gives me a headache after a long day, so a lightweight ribbon is perfect. And there you go. It's very easy, right? The second way is more of a retro/cute style. To do that, you need to comb your hair on the side and make a really high ponytail. I think the high ponytail gives out the impression of a hyperactive girl, which is very great hairstyle to go with some bright color clothes. I always like to let down a small strand of hair on the side because I think it looks more natural. But you're free to do whatever you want. Here I'm using a clear rubber band, which you can get from Target for like $2, and it's gonna give you like 300 of them. They're actually very easy to break or lost, but since you have so much, it doesn't really matter anymore. After you're done securing your hair, try to pull the ponytail on the side. You can also try to separate them and pull them even tighter like this to secure it even more. Next, take out your favorite ribbon and then wire it around your ponytail. I'm using this one that is semi-transparent with a pearl color edge, but then again you can switch to anything you want. All the ribbons I'm using in this video are very easy to find. You can either purchase them at Michael's or Joann or any crafting stores that's nearby. You can even go online and search on Etsy, which still have more options for you. After you're done wiring the ribbon, simply make a bow and facing forward and then you're done. I always struggle when I make the bow on the side because I feel like everything I used to do is now reversed. You can also make a bow beforehand or even use a clip-on bow if you don't feel like tied it up. Okay, I think I'm almost done here. Whew, what a workout. And there you go. It works on both straight and curly hair and looks super cute, so I really like this hairstyle. The third way, you will need two ribbons. The length will depend on how long your hair is and how long you want your ribbon to extend. I'm using this baby blue satin ribbon to match with my clothes today. To get started, first tie up one side of your hair so it doesn't get in the way. I'm using these plastic curly ones because they don't really hurt your scalp or cause too much chafing to your hair. Then take a rubber band and tie a small part of your hair. Don't worry about it securing it too much because you want it to be loose a little. Now, take out your ribbon and fold it to half. Make a hole in your pigtail using your finger like this and insert the ribbon into the hole. Pull it and make sure the ends are even and then make a simple knot. Then divide your pigtail into two parts and start to do a Dutch braid by taking one strand of your hair on the back. If you don't know how to do a Dutch braid, there are a lot of tutorials on YouTube to teach you how to do that. The point of this hairstyle is to have the ribbon looks like they're growing out of your hair. So by doing the braid, you're combining the ribbon with your hair so that the ribbon will get tangled into your braid. It will kind of look like how Anna's hair is braided in Frozen. When you reach the end, use another rubber band and secure it. Then you're going to tie the rest of the ribbon into a bow, and then you're done. After you're done with one side, just do the same thing on the other side. And then you're finished. This hairstyle is slightly more complicated than the others, but it doesn't really take too much of your time, and it looks super cute. Plus, I think it really matches my outfit today. I'm sure some of you guys like me are trying to grow out your hair, and there is always gonna be this awkward time frame your hair is not entirely short but not long enough to styling. This hairstyle I think is perfect for this acro length of hair. The last hairstyle I'm showing you guys works most on the back. It starts by making a samurai ponytail on the back using the rubber band, but be sure to leave some space by loosely securing it. Then divide your hair using your fingers like this and create a hole in the middle and start to twist the top part into the hole. Now that it's twisted, you can go ahead and pull it tighter. Now this step is important. You need to pull out some of your hair out from your ponytail to make it loose. Next, take some more hair from the back and add them to the pigtail. Secure it with another rubber band and pull it tighter together. Now the back of your hair should look like a very puffy butterfly. Once you're done with that, then take the rest of the hair and tie it together and make it a bun. If you have a medium short hair like me, you'll find this method the most secure way to make a bun without having a bunch of your hair sticking out because it's not long enough. Now take out your favorite ribbon and then cross it under your bun. Tie it up and make a bow. Now I know some of you are having like medium short hair like me, and this bun is gonna be small, it's gonna be ugly, and the hair is gonna stick out. But don't worry, that's why I picked this really wide ribbon so that they can cover them once they make a bow. So you can go ahead and pick an even wider ribbon if you want to. It's also normal that if you're still having some hair sticking out, don't worry about it, just use a bobby pin to secure it and then you're fine. This is a more mature and elegant way to style your hair, especially when you're having short hair. So this hairstyle is really gonna give you a perfect bun while waiting for your hair to grow out. Now that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked the video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe my channel for the future videos. Thank you so much and have a good day. I'll see you guys next time.